Good afternoon. My name is Fabiola Rodriguez, and I am in a group with Steven Gonzalez and Maria Campoverde. Our lesson is Small Lesson, Standard 2083. Standard 2083 Summary. Identifying odd and even numbers in a group of objects up to 20 by combining objects in pairs or counting them by twos. Students need to be able to write an equation and express the sum as a total of two even numbers in a set equation. At the top, we have an odd set of counter bears, and at the bottom, we have an even set of counter bears. As you can see, at the top, we have 9 bears. The number 9 is an odd number. At the bottom, we have 6 counter bears, knowing 6 is an even number. Example problems. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We know it is even because there are 5 pairs of buddies. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We know it is an odd because 4 pairs of buddies with 1 left over. Mini lesson. Objective. In this lesson, you will learn how to find even and odds by using physical tools and drawings. In this lesson, you will learn to combine a group of objects as being even or odd. In this lesson, you will learn how to write an addition or subtraction sentence to show that an even sum has the same numbers that are add-ins. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 6 plus 6 equals 12. In this lesson, you will learn that an even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. As you can see on the right, we have 4 bears. 4 is even because those 4 bears can be divided into two equal groups with 2 in each one. At the bottom, we have 5 bears. Those 5 bears cannot be distributed into 3 equal groups, meaning at the top, we have 2 bears, which makes one group. We have another group with 2, and then we have 1 left over. That 1 left over makes the number 5 odd. Prior knowledge. We will review the definition of what an add-in is. Students should have a prior knowledge of addition and subtraction. For example, 5 plus 2, which equals 7, 5 plus 3, which equals 8, 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 8 minus 5 equals 3. Children will need to know how to count by twos to 20 in order to see students' prior knowledge. Students will also need to know how to identify groups of twos in order to know whether it's even or odd. For example, working with physical concrete objects like bears and putting the designated number into groups of 2. Activity. We will ask a set of questions regarding the activity and example problems. We will conclude the activity and ask students what an odd and even number is, and the teacher will define odd and even numbers. At the end of the lesson, students will work on this worksheet to check their understanding of even and odd numbers. As you can see here, we have a lesson video and a reflection on the lesson. The video on the left shows Maria Campoverde doing the lesson with her son. On the right, we have our reflection on the lesson. Thank you so much.